The police in Crawfield, Clarendon are seeking to ascertain the identity of human skeletal remains found in Reckford district. The discovery was made on Monday afternoon in the Bullhead Mountain Forest Reserve by a forest technician who was carrying out duties. The police were called, investigators processed the scene, and the remains were removed to the morgue. It is believed that the death occurred several years ago. 63-year-old Mason Jerome Ferron was shot and killed while at home with his family. The incident occurred in the vicinity of Havana Heights in Maypen, Clarendon, sometime after 2 a.m. According to police reports, Ferron was at home with his family when a gunman kicked off the front door to the dwelling and shot him in the upper body. The police was alerted and the body taken to a funeral home in Maypen. A police investigation has been launched into the matter. Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie has strongly deplored Saturday's murder of a homeless man, Lee Donald, in Port Antonio, Portland. Donald's body was found with stab wounds on West Street in the parish capital. McKenzie noted that 2 of the 4 people killed in Portland so far this year were mentally ill. The body of Andre Weston, who also struggled with mental illness, was found at the Folly Oval about 1 month ago. The father and son, who were reported missing on the weekend, have returned home. Roderick O'Connor, 38, and his young son, Roderick Jr., returned home yesterday afternoon. The father and son returned home after spending some time in Westmoreland. In accordance with the procedure for people reported missing and have returned, O'Connor reported to the Olympic Garden police station where he was interviewed. Brooklyn White, a niece of O'Connor Sr., who spoke to Loop News, is relieved that her uncle is home. "I am 100% happy," she said, pointing out that her uncle said he was unable to make contact as his phone fell into a river. Police in the St. Andrew South Division say they have seized a Taurus pistol, 1 Glock magazine and 17 rounds of live ammunition in a joint military operation in the Whitfield area on Monday. The gun and ammunition were found in the roof of a building on a premises on Metcalfe Road. No one was arrested in connection with the find. According to authorities, the operation on Monday followed several snap raids being conducted in the division as lawmen battle a rise in crime in the area.